G'day guys, it's Jake here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install updates on Windows 10. So updates are quite easy to find. You just type in updates into the start menu and hit check for updates. And your computer, if it's set to automatically download them, may already be downloading them like you can see here. Otherwise there'll be a button saying check for the latest updates, which may appear after this one finishes downloading its update. So if you have a version update, so a new Windows 10 version, which they usually release one every 6 months, you can see here I've got the version 1909, so that's from 2019 and the 9th month of 2019. So that's what version that is. You can also click the download and install. So these are usually a bigger update. As you can see here, once it's finished downloading the updates up here, it will start installing the updates. With the version update, or the feature update as they call it here, you can click download and install. And then it will start downloading once these are finished. So we can see these updates are finished, just our normal updates, and we're pending a restart. It won't install the feature update until we've actually restarted the computer. So what we'll do now is restart the computer by clicking the Restart Now button. And what it'll do when it restarts is install the updates into the operating system, reboot and configure them, and then when you reboot, your computer is updated with the latest security or feature updates that have been rolled out to Windows 10. So now if we open the updates again, it will say you are up to date, and what we can do is actually manually check for updates by clicking the button. And then Windows will go off to the internet, to the Windows Update services, and check for any pending updates and show you which ones are available. So now you can see it's checked for the updates and it's downloading these updates. So we can see it's downloading the update for Windows 10, and then it's downloading the feature update for Windows 10 to version 1909. So now that this feature update for Windows 10 1909 is finished, we can hit Restart Now, and it will start restarting and applying the feature update. So this can take quite some time sometimes to install these feature updates. They are basically rolling up to the next version of Windows. So instead of what Microsoft used to do, you know, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, God knows what happened to Windows 9, then Windows 10. Windows 10 is coming out with a new version every 6 months, and 12 months a bigger new version where they add new features and stuff like that. So it's just a rolling, ongoing update of Windows 10, and you just keep getting the new stuff. So as you can see, it takes a little while to run through it. So now it's restarted. If we go and check for the updates, As you can see, we're up to date. If I check for updates again, hopefully now we've finished updating Windows and it's all up to date and ready to go. You can also check your OS build info by clicking that, and it'll give you some information about your computer and the version. So you can see here the version's 1909 now. If we go back to updates, we can now see we've checked for updates at 206, which is now 206, and there are no updates. So now we have Windows completely up to date. So anyway guys, that's how to update Windows 10 and make sure that your updates are all good and everything's all up to date. Like and subscribe the video. Just hit the like button. Just do it. If you've watched this far, you should hit the like button. Anyway, see you after.